guys, we are gonna welcome back to so in this video we're gonna make a chessboard, but this time only a square. Like for soap we have a line like this. We'll make square which is long enough. Then we'll add lines in it which has 90% of like centimeter of square. So let's get started. So you guys know that we need RMA editor. We'll take MU editor. So MU editor is here. We'll just wait it until it opens. So these all sounds are coming from outside, so don't care about it. Let's just do the video. Now we did something in the last. Let me check it. Let me check what was the last thing we did in the last. Okay, square, 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 square. So this is not a video. So new I'll press here. I'll press. We'll just copy the Python code until. Okay. Yo, there are small.
Mana? Tomato అన్నము టమాటా కారం చేసిందా టమాటా చట్నీ
So guys, I can't do it in English. I can't record the English, so I will talk.
వాడే
So అందరూ ఇప్పుడు నేను చేసినాం కదా ఇప్పుడు నేను చేద్దాం. ఓకే నేను చేసినాము ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇద్దాం యాజ్ యూజువల్ మనం ఫైల్ ఇద్దాం పైథాన్ కదా మనం చేసేది సో పైథాన్ సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ పైథాన్ పైథాన్ so it run nothing but so you keep like this and now for making a square first 180 let's try t dot forward 180 so let's see how much distance it goes for us this much is a okay. 180 plus 90 let's add so we'll just go to calculate so here 180 plus 90 is equal to 270 so let's stop running and give it 270 I think is the answer. Let's do. So this is the perfect thing we need. So we'll just do the rest codes. So we'll press here new code we are doing. So t dot array php t dot array so if you see so same now we'll get 270 forward. We'll just copy this only this. previously. Then again we need, right? అయ్యో
అందరూ ఉండాలి ఈ నెక్స్ట్ మొత్తం ఇంట్లో ఉండాలి అందరం ఇక్కడ ఎడుకోపోయినది అందరం వాడి చెల్లి పోయి చెల్లి నేను ఎడబడి పిల్లలు వాళ్ళ పనులు వాళ్ళు చేసుకుంటాను
again copy this. Now let's run. Now we'll press T dot right 90 and press 270 so it makes a perfect square, and we'll make a line. We'll make slanting lines. After that we'll make box by box. We'll make box by box. We'll make like next video. I'll show you how to make the lines like this. So here again we'll copy. This time we'll copy both. Both. Okay. Now let's run and see. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Now here we are gonna make it go 90. Make slanting line. I mean, this can't be a chessboard, but we'll try to make a chessboard. Like, I don't know if it is a chessboard, but 3 lines like this, 3 spaces will come here, 3 spaces will come here. So let's do like that. Now we are gonna we are gonna why did it run? So now we are gonna this right. We'll try 90. We'll try 90. We'll try 90 this time. We'll try 90. Okay, my cousin brother is there, so stop it. So T dot like right will take 90.